चल 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 मेरे साथी, ओ मेरे हाथी, चल ले चल खटारा खींच के, चल यार धक्का मार, बंद है मोटर कार, चल यार धक्का मार, चल 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 मेरे साथी, ओ मेरे हाथी।
Long ago, before the world looks like it does today, elephants had wings.
Whee! I'm flying!
I like flying.
My wings are pretty.
I love the flying elephants because they will ride on their back.
The elephants were very helpful to the gods when they were creating the world.
I'm a god and I love my elephants. They're so nice to me. They're cool. They are a nice color. They have nice wings. It's really a responsibility to be a god.
But when the world was created, the gods didn't need the elephants so much.
Elephants and people didn't get along because elephants would just fly a lot and they would get really tired. So they would take a rest. And sometimes they would rest on top of people's houses. And people's houses crumbled under their weight.
Watch out, elephant, coming from the ceiling, coming from the ceiling. Watch out, elephant, coming from the ceiling, coming from the ceiling. Watch out, elephant, coming from the ceiling, coming from the ceiling.
So naturally, the people were really mad. You beast!
Your large rear end almost crushed me while I was sleeping.
The gods solved the elephant problem once and for all.
The gods decided to have a big feast with the elephants, the nice little pretty elephants.
They ate bananas, leaves, and mashed potatoes, and all the good things that God could give them.
You should try some of these leaves. They're so juicy. This is delicious.
The elephants stuffed themselves until they couldn't eat anymore, so they fell asleep.
When the elephants were sleeping, the gods came up to them and thought of an idea to cut off their wings.
चल 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 मेरे साथी, ओ मेरे हाथी, चल ले चल खटारा खींच के.
The god gave the elephant's wings to the peacock,
Which is how the peacock got beautiful feathers.
I'm a peacock and I think that my feathers are beautiful.
And that's why elephants don't have wings.
I go on elephants, I ride always up to the sky. I touch the sky, I go up to buildings, go up, high. I love to go up to the sky. Hey, love to go up to the sky. Go up to the sky. Hey, love to go up to the sky.